What's up everyone? Today we got our hands on something very special. It's not even out yet. It fits in your pocket and it allows you to bring your favorite video games anywhere you go. The GPD Win2. The previous edition of this pocket-sized gaming computer was already a success, but this time GPD is back with even more power with the Win2. At first look, they really nailed the design of the packaging. It's a nice matte black box with a touch of gold. Let's take a look inside the box. What do we have here? In the first little compartment, you'll find the accessories. The charging cable, the earbuds, and the wall unit. Now let's take a look at this little beast. It's a nice design, black and silver curvy design. But what matters the most is what's inside. It runs on an M3 7Y30 processor and an Intel HD Graphics 615 GPU with 8 GB of RAM. The Win2 comes with an M2 replaceable solid-state drive of 128 GB, which means you can eventually upgrade it with a larger SSD if ever you need it. And don't worry about playtime. This tiny computer is equipped with two 4900 mAh batteries that will allow you to play 6 to 8 hours in one charge depending on the games you play. The Win2 has very comfortable joysticks, including the common 4 buttons, 3 shoulder buttons on each side, and a full QWERTY keyboard. And as you can see, they made the up, down, left, right button as well as the A, W, S, and D keys easily distinguishable for a better gaming experience. It also has a 6-inch Corning Gorilla Glass monitor offering you a 1280 by 720p resolution. Oh, and it's a touchscreen monitor too. So you can use the joystick as a mouse, but you can also simply use your finger to browse or navigate menus. Besides the 3 shoulder buttons, let's see what we have in the back. First, there's the Type-C USB that is used to charge your device, but it can also be used for external components. Then you have the headphone jack, the USB 3 Type-A, a micro SD slot, and a micro HDMI output if ever you want to hook it up to a larger monitor or a TV or even a projector. And of course, the GPD Win2 has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. Now this tiny computer runs on Windows 10, so you can obviously run all of your favorite PC and Xbox games. But if you're nostalgic, you can also install emulators allowing you to play most of the older consoles from Super Nintendo to Neo Geo and PS2.
Ah, you're up. Yes. There. Not too tight, I hope. In the meantime, you'll find him on the other side. Why, for my peace of mind, of course.
Gods! There's been a murder here. Gods damn it. Need to get off this wreck, and quick!
Not bad, right? This little thing is quite impressive. I mean, you might have to lower the resolution or the frame rate for some games, but I mean, it can do a lot. And just the idea that you have this in your pocket at all times is quite impressive. Anyways, if ever you'd like us to test some other games with this little device, let us know in the comment section below and we might make a little video about it and just test different games, see like how far we can push this little monster. And don't forget to subscribe. You can click right here or you can click below here and check one of our other videos. All right, catch you laters. Catch you laters? All right, catch you later. Oh no.